Good evening, children. I hope everyone are doing fine. So, children, let us continue with the chapter soil. Today, we will be learning about moisture in soil. Okay, sorry, my laptop condition is not that good. So, I am making a video like this. So, once my laptop is ready, so I'll start with the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so kindly bear my video. Fine. Yes, I hope you people can follow this one. Right? Yes. So let us understand moisture in soil by performing few activities. Right, children? Yes. Children, have you ever went to a farmland during a very hot summer day? Yes. So if you have visited that place, you might have noticed that hair above the land is shimmering. Okay, so why is it so? We shall find out. So for this, you have one activity, that is activity 9.5. Clear? Yes. So you need to take a boiling tube. So like this, we need to take a boiling tube. Fine. So it has a mouth like this. So it is a boiling tube. So we need to add 2 spoons of a soil sample. So we are adding 2 spoons of soil sample to this beaker. Okay, so now it will go down and settle, right? So this is the soil sample now. Clear? Yes. So now we need to heat it. For heating, we need a flame, right? So we call this as a Bunsen burner. Okay, so where we get a flames. So here we will name it as burner. What is it? It is burner. So now we have a soil sample, right? And we have a burner and we have a flame here. And we have a soil sample inside the boiling tube, right? Now we shall see what happens. So to hold this, we need a stand, because we can't handle with bare hands. So we need a stand for this. Okay? Yes. So now it's almost a rough diagram. Clear? So after boiling the soil, after some time, we can see water droplets on the space where there is no soil. Right? And we can see water droplets. So why this is happening? Because on heating the soil, so the water or the moisture which is present in the soil, it gets evaporated. Okay, so it gets evaporated, and due to the temperature in this surface, it cools down. It cools down or condenses and form a water droplets on the inner walls of the tube. That is upper part of the boiling tube. So this is the upper part, right? So this is the upper part, and in the walls surface you can see water droplets. So what happens on hot summer day? So the vapor coming out of the soil, it is reflecting the sunlight and the air which is above the soil, so it seems shimmer. Okay, so after heating the soil, so take it out the tube. So take out the tube. After heating this one, you should take out the tube separately and compare it with the soil which has not been heated. And we can know the difference, because it loses its moisture. The one soil which you have already boiled, it loses the moisture. Compare with the soil which is not involved in the experiment. So you will know the difference. Okay. So now next concept that we are going to, so this is about moisture of soil. So next topic that we are going to look is absorption of water by soil. So absorption of water by soil. So for this again you have one activity, that is 9.6. Activity 9.6. So for this, so we have one activity to perform. So what we need to do is we need to take a plastic funnel. Okay, so everybody have this kind of funnel at your home, right? So if you are using kerosene, then this funnel would be useful. So take a plastic funnel and take a filter paper. Okay, or a piece of newspaper sheet also you can take. So fold in a triangle shape like this. You need to fold the sheet of a paper. If you take a square sheet, you can fold it. Okay, so weigh about 50 grams of dry powdered soil. So this has to be dry soil sample you need to take. Okay, in funnel you need to take. Okay, pour it into funnel. So measure certain amount of water in a measuring cylinder and pour it drop by drop on the soil. So to retain the water, you have to keep one beaker here. Okay, so now measure a certain amount of water. So for example, so you have a cylinder like this which has a measurements. Okay, for 100 ml or 200 ml or 50 ml. So you have a measurement like this. Okay, so using this measuring cylinder, take approx 200 ml or 50 ml of water. Okay, and pour it drop by drop in the funnel. Okay, so this has to covered with the newspaper sheet or a filter paper. Okay, so you have a soil within the funnel. What you are doing, you are pouring water drop by drop, not you should flush it, or you should forcefully put the water. Okay, so drop by drop you need to put the water. Okay, so or else you can use dropper also. You can use dropper to pour the water. Okay, so you should not let all the water fall out of the funnel. Okay, so pour water all over the soil now and keep pouring water till it starts dripping. So ನೀವು ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡ್ರಾಪೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so till it completes you need to pour the water. And now subtract the amount of water left in the measuring cylinder. ಸೊ ಮೆಷರಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಅಂಥ ನೀರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ನೀರನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಬೈ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೆಷರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್.